Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka, and you're at We Are Jenas. So, yes, we are again here back with the second part of the mission video where I try to understand and explore the meaning of Jeong of Korea. As I have already said, Jeong is a very broad term, and I mean, it doesn't have one single definition. It's a combination of several different meanings and several different words, so it's really a very vast term to define, and it cannot be defined through one single definition. So, for the second video, I've tried to explain it through a very through very popular boy band, and through my love through BTS. So, as most of you already know, that BTS is like the world biggest boy band group, and apart from being the most famous, apart from being most generous, they are also very, I mean, they are very supportive towards the other people. They are very supportive towards the UNICEF. So I wanted to talk about BTS and UNICEF today, and show how BTS have shown Jeong in through their work, through their support, through their donations. So yes, firstly, let's talk about BTS and their donation and contribution to the society. While I was searching, I went through YouTube, I went through Google to find out the type of donation they have done to different society of the world. So here are some. So this was the first article I found out, and let's read it. Right, BTS and Big Hit renew commitment to Love Myself campaign to support UNICEF in ending violence and neglect, as well as promoting self-esteem and well-being. So I think. Love Myself was their album, and through their album, they have supported UNICEF. They have donated almost about 1 million, and which is like a very huge amount. To UNICEF for promoting self esteem and well being of the children, and which is a very pure definition of love for me, and that's what Jeong is, right? Because I think it's always important to support your community, to support your the other part of the world. And yes, if you are such a big boy brand, you have the responsibility, and BD has shown their responsibility, their commitment towards supporting and promoting uh, well-being of the society and ending violence. So this was the first clip I got, and yeah, the second clip. Okay, so this is the second clip. It says BTS and UNICEF celebrates Love Myself campaign with the renewed support of UNICEF hashtag On My Mind initiative. So On My Mind initiative is very, it's a initiative for the mental health, for the mental being of the children. So as I said, they have been donating, they have been supporting these initiatives and UNICEF, and which is like, I would say, it's a very good thing to do, right? So yeah, as an army, I'm very proud of BTS, and if you don't know, army have also donated many money for many of such initiatives, uh, matching the BTS. Like literally, if the BTS has donated 1 million, the army has collectively donated 1 million, which shows the love between the society, shows love between army and BTS as well. Apart from the society, it shows the special bond which army and BTS have, and such. Uh, such influence BTS has, right? So I think that's what Jeong is: love, the bond between the two people, the bond between the BTS and the army, the bond between the BTS and the society, the love between BTS and society, and yes, let's go for the third clue. So as I said before, that BTS and Army have matched the uh, like Army has matched BTS $1 million. So this is what the article talks about. That they have matched the group's $1 million Black Lives Matters donation. So I think they are very inspiring, and I don't know, but it's the affection, I guess. It's the love, is the uh, is this sympathy BTS have towards the society. It's the love, it's the bond, and I feel so blessed to be the part of the army. And yes, fortunate enough to discover this truly amazing group. Let's go for the fourth article. Next, yeah. So the next one is while I was scrolling through Google, I found this article, and it talks about the donation made by individual idols like J Hope, like Jungkook, and Suga. So Suga has also been donating money who have been affected by violence, by medical need, any medical need like cancer and everything. And I think every person in that boy band group is or have done something, something which is Jeong, which is love, which is the bond, which is the sympathy and the affection. And I'm so proud. I'm so proud right now. I already knew this, but going through this again and again made me feel blessed, made me feel super powered, super, super happy right now. But apart from the article, you must have seen one video which was very viral uh, on internet, and it's the best video it's the best video I can show you regarding the Jeong of Korea, which is the RM speech in United Nation regarding the UNICEF. So yeah.
I want to hear your voice. I want to hear your conviction. No matter who you are, where you're from, your skin color, your gender identity, just speak yourself.
See, I mean, that was really a very heart wrenching moment for me because uh, I, I mean, at some point in your life, you may have feel not worthy enough, or maybe because of various reasons. What Aryan just said, it doesn't matter who you are, what your skin color is, what your gender identity is. Just speak yourself. Just talk about yourself. Just take care of yourself. Just love yourself, and that's what really matters in the end. And yes, I think. This is all I can say about Jeong of Korea. This is what Jeong of Korea is. It's about the love, not only the love between two people, but between the whole society, giving back to your society. It's the bond between you and the other people, the society, between the nature. It's a bond between Army and BTS. So yes, uh, that is what I think Jeong of Korea is, and I hope I have cleared a bit of it. And if you like my video, if you like this thought of me of showing BTS love or defining Jeong of Korea through BTS, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, let's grow together. Love yourself, speak yourself, and and let's end today's video. Bye.